how to use Camtasia 9 to record your webcam full screen just like this. Keep watching, I'll show you how to do it. Okay, so there's been many occasions when I've just wanted to record the camera like this without having the screen as well. Now there's one thing you can do with Camtasia, which is move your actual video of yourself. And so you can see here I'm in Camtasia, and here's a movie that I've recorded previously. We can just go to different points, and you can see I had a screen, and there's my picture-in-picture in the bottom right-hand corner. Now, there's two things you can do here. First of all, if you actually select that picture and then just drag it to full screen, then that effectively means you've then got your full screen of video. So you can then just remove, if you want to as well, you've got track 1 here is the screen recording, and track 2 is the camcorder recording. So you could actually just completely remove that track 2. So you've just got your video here, which will reduce your file size on your Camtasia. If space is getting a bit short on your computer, then you can do that. But that's how you do it. There is no other way of doing it. I've been trying and looking, but there's no other way of doing it. So you record the screen as well as your webcam, but then just discard the screen. Now it may be if you're having issues with the amount of information that's being recorded on your screen that it gets a bit juddery. What you might want to try is recording a smaller screen section while still keeping your webcam. I've tried on high definition on the webcam, and Camtasia, or my computer rather, just can't keep up with it, and it all goes juddery. So if I do something like that, my lips go out of sync, the hand goes out of sync, and all sorts of things. So I'm recording this video on my Logitech C310, which is a very old webcam, but I'm a great believer in using the technology as long as you can. I'm recording this on a 640 by 360 dimension, and then just bring it up full screen, and this is what you're seeing. So this is very simple technology in that regard. Hope you found this useful. Please do comment, please subscribe if you want more tips on Camtasia to my channel here and my playlist for Camtasia. Hope you found this useful. Thanks for watching. You can find out more about me, Paul Hardingham, at paulhardingham.com. I'm a full-time internet marketer and make a living purely from the internet. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you again soon.